These are your table notes for Word 2013. A table is a mixture of rows and columns, and it's used to organize information. The parts of your table are you have columns. These are your columns. They go vertically. Your rows go horizontally. And then each box in this table is known as a cell. Okay, and I threw a couple of them out here to let you know that these are known as cells. Your cells will hold your data. Ways to insert a cell: you can go to Insert Table, and you could drag on the grid up here where it says Insert Table. That will determine if you go 3 down and over 2, that means you're going to have 3 columns and 3 rows, or go if you went over to the next one, 2 columns, and 3 rows. So it just depends on how you want it to look there. You can also go to Insert Table, and you can type in how many rows and columns you want. You can draw your table. You can convert text to a table. You can go to Excel, and you can go to Quick Tables. Quick Tables will shoot out this little arrow over here. It will shoot out other choices for you. They're already pre-formatted for you. Tables, when you insert a table, it opens up a contextual ribbon that is known as Table Tools Design and Table Tools Layout. The reason it's known as contextual is it only shows up when you insert a table. Other than that, this ribbon disappears. On your Table Tools Design, this allows you to do your formatting as far as colors. You might apply your borders here, your shading, the thickness of your lines. Table Tools Layout, which is this one, allows you to edit the layout, such as delete your columns, delete rows. You can merge your cells in here, things like that. Now, Table Quick Styles. This will be located in your Table Tools Design ribbon. And over here to the right, this is what your quick styles look like. Okay, these are your table styles. And that means that if I select, they each have names, so make sure you mouse over it and it gives you the name. But if I clicked on this orange one, then my table would end up looking like that. When you insert your table, on your Table Tools Design ribbon, you also have what's known as Table Styles Options. And you put a check if you need the header row to show up. If you want a total row to appear, you would put a check in the box. If you wanted banded rows or banded columns mean that every other row or column, they're different colors. So you have even numbers and odd number columns. You also could put first column and last column. But again, these are your Table Styles Options, and they're located in your Table Tools Design ribbon. You may merge cells or split cells. If you go and select, normally this is done to the top row, or it could be done to the left and right if it's the entire row. You would merge them together. So if you had 3 cells, they would become one big cell, and you would normally type your title in here. If you decide that you want to split them, then you could go to Split Cells, and it will ask you how many rows or how many columns that you want to put in there, and you'd have to put in a number. Your sorting tables, the A to Z button where it says A to Z Sort on your Table Tools Layout ribbon will allow you to sort. Now, sorting arranges it in a specific order. You have ascending and descending. Ascending means it can be in alphabetical order, A to Z, or it can be smallest number to a largest number, or it could be a shortest person to a tallest person. But that's your ascending. Descending means it's the opposite. You could go Z to A in the alphabet, the largest number to the smallest number, or the tallest person to the shortest person.